How to write best prompts? ये बता.
How to write best prompts? Okay, cool. Let's do that. यार
ये एक सेगमेंट बना रखा है टीम ने, which is magic prompt formula.
Yeah.
तो मुझे बता magically prompt कैसे बना सकते हैं ताकि मैं ये AI यूज करके बेस्ट यूज करूँ.
हाँ,
I can get like better, really better.
Yeah. So होता क्या है ना, prompts में हम लोग when we write usually what we do is, let's say you want to write an email, right? You'd be saying something like write an email to my manager so I can get a leave tomorrow. We write something like this, and you know what, you get a decent email. There's nothing wrong with it. But when you go specific, when you write a great prompt, the kind of output that you get fundamentally changes. ये क्या हो गया? ChatGPT down हो गया क्या? अच्छा, sorry. Right? You got this email. I want to leave tomorrow, do personal work. It's fine. It works.
Yes, okay.
Right? But I don't think it's convincing enough. Right? So when you rewrite this prompt in a magic prompt formula manner, the kind of output that you'll get fundamentally changes. Okay? And let's say, sorry about that. Okay, thoda zoom kar diya. So magic prompt formula has something called as role, objective, context, and data.
Okay. What does it mean?
I'll tell you. Role is if there was one person जो तेरे को लगता है can do the best job in the world to write an email, who would that person be? Person मतलब what kind of person would that be? Who could you hire when you want to write an email? Let's say like this. Let's say you want to an experienced email copywriter who's working at Ogilvy.
ठीक है.
Right? Or something like that.
Best email marketer in the world.
हाँ.
Okay.
The more specific, the better.
हाँ. Okay.
Where do the best email marketers in the world work?
Okay. तो ऐसे करते हैं कि best email marketer in the world who is probably in a sales job, has open rate of 20% plus always, knows how to make email detailed enough that the other person gets context in very concise form, and it's short and gives a brilliant subject line.
Okay, cool. I'll simplify that, but I got the context. You are an experienced email copywriter with more than 15 years of experience writing emails, and in the past you've been in a sales job. So you have context of understanding user psychology, sales, and also are very good with email copy. That is the role. I'm assigning
कौन सा बंदा ये लिख रहा है?
I'm assigning a hat to the AI. Now objective क्या है? Simple. I want to write an email to convince my boss to give me 2 days of off tomorrow and day after, while I don't have any leaves left anymore. That's the objective. Okay? That's an email we need to write. Context. My boss is a 45-year-old who believes in working from office all the time, who believes in the fact that being in office, not taking many leaves is the right way to go. And I don't want to piss him off because he comes with a very strong perspective. So make sure you're tuning it based on that. Context, because it needs to understand base context, right? Data. Now, in this case, there is no need of data per se. Data is like, agar koi data point include karna hai, anything like that, you add it here. In this case, it's not needed. Now, this is a prompt which is written based on magic prompt formula, which is role, objective, context, and data. When you add these 4 elements, the kind of context you're giving to AI fundamentally goes up. As a result, the quality of the email goes up significantly.
वो वाला खोल email जो last
खोलेंगे, वो भी खोलेंगे. अभी ये रहा अपना पुराना email. I said write an email to my manager so that I can get a leave tomorrow.
Hi, I wanted to request a day's leave tomorrow. Personal work that manager made sure open in a basic.
Right, basic. I mean, there's nothing wrong with the email. It's perfect. Right, but we have a lot of work to do, and here it comes. I wanted to request a short leave for 2 days, insert dates. I realized I used up my leave quota and I wouldn't be asking if it wasn't necessary. There's a personal matter that needs my attention, and I'd really appreciate your understanding on this. I'll make sure everything I'm responsible for stays on track. I'm already mentioned any proactive steps briefed so that you can add all of that. If anything urgent comes up, I'll stay reachable and ensure there is no disruption. I completely understand the importance you place on being present at work. I assure you it's just an exception, not an habit. Thanks for considering this. I really value your support.
और नीचे क्या लिखा है? What is it suggesting? Would you want to make it
More
sound
emotionally sincere?
Yes, let's try.
Make it extremely emotionally sincere. Almost make it feel like the person who's reading the email can feel that I'm crying on the other side. Please don't do this, guys. We're just having fun. And here it comes. Some person genuinely needs me to step away for a couple of days. I know I don't have any leaves left. I know how much you value consistency and being at work, and I've always tried to live up to that. I wouldn't have asked if it was absolutely necessary. I've made sure everything that's on the plate is taken care of, and if anything urgent comes up, I'll stay reachable. I'm honestly feeling quite torn even writing this, because it needs to feel it, right? Because I hate to let the team down. So Raj, are you giving me the leave?
No. I know this is what you have learned from.
Now you know what?
Podcast I'm not.
Now I'll tell you what. If you want to take this to the next level, no?
और better करना है.
हाँ, तो क्या करना है? मैं बस ये copy करूँगा prompt को. Once I write the prompt, there are two things that you can do. One is that you can go to a platform like, let's say, Multi. What is Multi? Multi is, why do I have to? अभी जो हमने deep research के लिए किया, 5 LLM में गए. Right? मुझे नहीं करना है. मुझे एक ही बार में all the best LLMs needs to answer. So this has access to 300 AI models at once.
Wow.
Right? And look at this. This is GPT-5, Claude 4, 2.5 Pro, DeepSeek R1, all doing the job for me. I'll just send the same prompt.
और किसका better होगा तो सामने दिख जाएगा.
हाँ, मैं देख लूँगा सामने.
Wow.
And here comes GPT-5, here comes Claude 4. And 2.5 Pro is a reasoning model, so it's taking time to reason. And DeepSeek R1. And once all the responses are here, one of the model ran into an error. It will come. Must have timed out.
अभी तक का
era
download इसकी ये slow है.
हाँ?
ये वाला slow है.
No, because ये reasoning model है. It's not fair. ये reasoning model नहीं है.
Okay.
So it's not thinking before answering, but this model thought before it answered.
Okay.
So you can see how the subject solution is different. 2.5 Pro mein, before it answered, of course, this is a delicate situation that requires a careful blend of respect, responsibility, and strategic communication. And it explained what it's doing, and then it came up with an email. Because it's a reasoning model. That's why it took longer.
Okay.
Right? And here you have DeepSeek R1 as well. And now if I have to follow up on this, I'm like, जो हमने यहाँ डाला था ना, and this can, if you're feeling cool about it, you can literally select hundreds of more. I mean, I think 10 models at once.
बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाएगा.
That's why I just use them.
The top
models at once, so that I don't have to jump between each of them. Now, और एक cool चीज़ पढ़ाऊँ. ये जो prompt लिखे, do you believe that this prompt gave you a better output than a simple prompt?
Absolutely. और पहले ये बता, एक और कोई ट्राई करते हैं इसमें थोड़ा short हो और data भी हो.
Okay, actually, let's slightly change this, no then?
हाँ. Like एक data वाला भी करते हैं ना?
हाँ. We can slightly change this only. Actually, you know what? I'll do one thing.
Sales का करते हैं, क्योंकि सबको कुछ ना कुछ बेचना होता है.
ठीक है.
Let's say हमने क्योंकि स्टार्टिंग में एक अपॉर्चुनिटी बोली थी. An opportunity is consultant, मतलब जो है लोगों को किसी बड़े बिजनेस को बोलना है कि देखो मैं तुम्हारे लिए कर सकता हूँ कुछ, उसके लिए कुछ लिखवाना है.
Okay. I don't want to write the prompt. इसके लिए इतना लंबा चौड़ा प्रॉम्प्ट लिखना पड़ा मुझे. सेल्स के लिए और लंबा चौड़ा प्रॉम्प्ट लिखना है, जो कि मुझे नहीं करना है. तो एक टूल बना देते हैं जो प्रॉम्प्ट खुद ही लिख लेगा हमारे लिए. ठीक है?
ठीक है, डन.
ठीक है, बिकॉज अभी तू बोलेगा इसके बाद ये लिख, उसके बाद वो लिख, मुझे नहीं सुनना है अभी. ठीक है? ओके, लेट्स डू वन थिंग. सी, आई कैन राइट दिस प्रॉम्प्ट. ओके, लेट मी शो यू अ टूल वेरी क्विकली. सो दिस इज अ फ्री टूल. मैं अभी क्या बोला, मुझे प्रॉम्प्ट बार बार नहीं लिखना है. आई एम टू लेजी, so I want to build a tool which can write prompts for me.
Okay,
I'll drop a lazy prompt, it should write magic prompt formula for me.
ठीक है.
So this is a OpenAI का prompt enhancer है.
ठीक है.
इसका काम ये है कि अगर तू कुछ बेसिक डालेगा वो अच्छा सिस्टम प्रॉम्प्ट बनाएगा इसके लिए, एंड ये फ्री है. दिस फॉर डेवलपर्स.
ओके.
जो टूल्स बनाते हैं ना एआई टूल्स,
हाँ.
उसका प्रॉम्प्ट जो लिखना होता है वो मेटा प्रॉम्प्टिंग होता है. ये मेटा प्रॉम्प्ट लिखता है. सो मैं पहले इसको यूज करूंगा टू राइट अ प्रॉम्प्ट which I will use that further, which will write prompts for me. Just see what you're doing. Okay. I want you to write a extensive prompt which will create prompts for me in Magic Prompt Formula. I'm sharing the example of a Magic Prompt Formula below with the structure so that you can convert that into a prompt for me. Okay, मैं डाल दिया. ये लिखा. I said I want a prompt. I want to make this into a prompt generator. A good prompt has 4 parts, like I explained: context, task, instruction, data.
ठीक है.
And एक example डाल दिया नीचे.
ठीक है. ये एक बार का वन टाइम जॉब.
One time. Now
यहीं से कॉपी करके कर लो.
No, खत्म नहीं हुआ. अभी मैं क्या बोला हूँ? मैं prompt generate करवा रहा हूँ अभी. So I gave the context. It will give me a meta prompt right now. जो prompt मैं एक टूल के अंदर यूज करूंगा ताकि मेरा एक टूल बन जाए जहां मैं डंप करूं और वो मुझे प्रॉम्प्ट दे.
ओके, लेट्स सी. हां, ठीक है.
सो दिस टूल इज अ ऑप्टिमाइजर. सो अगर जो घटिया प्रॉम्प्ट्स है, अगर तू अपना प्रॉम्प्ट देगा वो अच्छा करके दे देगा तुझे.
ठीक है.
ओके. बट इधर मैं क्या कर रहा हूं, मुझे मैजिक प्रॉम्प्ट फॉर्मूला का प्रॉम्प्ट चाहिए.
ओके. अभी मैं मैजिक प्रॉम्प्ट फॉर्मूला, अभी मैंने मैजिक प्रॉम्प्ट बनाया नहीं, इससे बनेगा.
उसको मैंने समझाया मैजिक प्रॉम्प्ट फॉर्मूला क्या है.
होता है.
सो इट विल राइट अ प्रॉम्प्ट which will generate magic prompts.
ठीक है.
Okay,
let's see.
We are making the father. Now as this is generating, you'll be like, ये prompt आने के बाद मैं कहाँ use करूँगा? Again, let's use free tools today जो सब लोग use कर पाएंगे. ChatGPT. So ChatGPT has something called as on the sidebar projects. Use किया है तो?
नहीं.
Click on new project. Project का advantage ये है, I'll call this magic prompt generator. प्रोजेक्ट का एडवांटेज ये है कि एनीथिंग दैट यू यूज ओवर एंड ओवर अगेन एज अ प्रॉम्प्ट, एनी टास्क दैट यू डू रिपीटेडली, यू कैन गिव इंस्ट्रक्शंस वंस. लेट्स से तू लिंक्डइन पोस्ट है, तेरा एक फॉर्मेट है लिंक्डइन पोस्ट लिखने का. अगर एक बार इंस्ट्रक्शन दे दिया इसको, एवरी टाइम यू गिव अ टॉपिक इट विल राइट योर लिंक्डइन पोस्ट लाइक दैट.
तो नॉर्मल चैट पे भी वही करता है.
बट तू बार बार तेरे को प्रॉम्प्ट डालना पड़ेगा ना.
नहीं, वो एक बार बोल दिया कि दिस इज द चैट विंडो फॉर दिस.
हाँ, बट इट हैज समथिंग कॉल्ड एज कॉन्टेक्स्ट विंडो. Every AI has context window. 200K tokens के बाद भूलना शुरू कर देगा.
Oh.
It is a very, very bad thing to do. Never do it.
So I used to do that.
Don't do it. Okay. We will use projects for this. तो magic prompt generator करके डाल दिया. In projects, if I click on these 3 dots, I can add something called as instructions. So इधर मुझे एक prompt डालना है. और वो prompt कौन सा होगा? ये वाला. Look at this. I got a developer prompt. This is what developers use to build tools. And मैंने कुछ कोड लिखा क्या? नहीं. I dumped my thoughts. It wrote me a technical prompt. I'll just copy this. Paste it. Done. Now we have a prompt generator which will do prompts in Magic Prompt Formula. अभी बता भाई, तेरे को क्या prompt चाहिए था? किसके लिए prompt चाहिए था? To write a sales email for?
So that I can land a high-paying client.
Okay.
For any XYZ service.
I want to write an email to a lot of SME companies to sell my AI consulting. I am very good with AI and I can help them with AI consulting. That is what I want to do. That is the email that I want to write. There cannot be worse prompt than this. Arey bhai. Okay. Ideally, if this worked, because we didn't do any intervention, it should give me a prompt. Let's see if it does. Here comes the prompt. This is the magic prompt formula follow करके
बना के दिया है. Copy कर.
And now I can just say, and it gave me a copy button also, just to copy and paste. I can just say, use the prompt to get me the email.
तो ये राइटिंग ईमेल चैट जीपीटी ज़्यादा बेटर करता है क्लॉड?
email is fine.
Same.
Email
Okay.
is fine. And here comes your prompt. Here comes the email, which is written using the prompt, which was a magic prompt formula delivery that happened right here.
Fair.
So what did we do?
Sweet.
पहले हमने मैजिक प्रॉम्प्ट फॉर्मूला सीखा. वो मैजिक प्रॉम्प्ट फॉर्मूला का स्ट्रक्चर लेके हमने जीपीटी ऑप्टिमाइजर में गए हम लोग और उसको हमने बोला कन्वर्ट दैट इनटू मेटा प्रॉम्प्ट.